and welcome back to Sherwood Park Toyota. Today we're looking at a 2023 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro manual in the color white. Let's take a look. Starting up front underneath the hood, we have a 3.5-liter V6 engine manual transmission. Gets up to 278 horsepower and 265 pound-foot of torque. Of course, up front we have our LED headlights, customary daytime running lights, and the Rigid Industries fog lights. Looking at the headlamps, you'll also see on the passenger side we have the TRD, and on the driver's side we have the Pro. Really cool feature that only comes with this trim level. Up front on your grille, just above your logo, is where you'll find your front-facing camera, and we have the hood scoop up top here. Let's go along to the side here. We have the black TRD alloy wheels and that beautiful red suspension complementing it so well. Then we have your side mirrors with integrated turn signals and the blind spot monitor. Underneath you'll find another camera which contributes to full surround view camera effects. Rear windows all come with factory tinting, and as we come up to the back you'll find the TRD Pro imprint on either side, and then the trim level badge just on the back right hand side here. Looking next to your handle is where you'll find your backup camera, and underneath we do of course have the compact spare. We do have the bed light currently turned on. It can be turned on or off or set to work automatically with your doors opening and closing. To access your rear space, just release the handle here and it can soft open from there. Take a quick look around the bed space here. On the right hand side you'll find some additional storage and a power outlet. And to close it up, just reach down and bring up your tailgate. There we go. One last thing is that on your rear windshield you'll see that this little middle panel is pressed in compared to the rest. This is power movable, and we'll take a look at that inside. First of all, let's look in our back seats. So looking back here, that you'll see that your interior upholstery is this black leatherette with this nice red stitching and this texturing in the middle panels. On the back of your front passenger seat, we do have pouch storage available, and the back of the console has some additional storage space for cup holders. We have the TRD Pro rubber mats throughout the unit right now. Nice amount of storage in the back doors. And then taking a look inside the driver's door panel here, you'll find that we have the power windows for front, back, and child safety lock, power lock system, and your side mirror controls. Front driver seat is power adjustable, back, front, up, down, and your lumbar support. Again, that red stitching on the black leather with that texturing, and up top you'll find the TRD Pro stitched into both of the headrests. On the bottom of your dash, you'll find your hood release latch. Above that, we have the controls for that rear bed light, automatic headlamps, the rear power outlet, clutch start, your full surround view cameras, which if you press, it will allow you to see every angle around you. No worries about anything being out of sight. And then, of course, the traction control too. Hop up here and take a look at our steering wheel. On the left-hand side is where you have the controls for your radio, and then your volume and hands-free communication. On the right-hand side is your dash controls, and then your cruise control and sonar and lane departure. In the middle is your infotainment display. This is where you access much of the information about your daily driving experience, including the built-in navigation and all of your audio listening. Of course, this unit does come with AM, FM, and satellite radio. It also has full Bluetooth connectivity for both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and an optional USB port. Under that is your climate control center. We have the dual climate controls, so that you and your front passenger can have your own unique temperature settings, or you can sync them up to work in unison. We also have the tri-level 2 front heated seats here, and then your defrost for front windshield and side mirrors, the dial for your 2-wheel 4 high and 4 low, and then underneath you have your BSM sensor on and off, and then this is the control for that middle panel. It works like any other power window control. Push and pull, we'll take a look at that as it functions. Push it in, You'll see it move aside, pull it up, and it will move back closed. Then next to that is your USB port. This little symbol coordinates with the one down here, meaning that this little black pad down here is a wireless charging pad for all compatible devices, can be used on or off. And then you have your 12-volt adapter. In the middle, of course, is your leather manual shift with those nice red highlights. Then we have your cup holders and storage spaces, and your console with some additional charging spaces. Then looking up overhead on your rear view mirror, we have these controls with the house shapes. Those are your garage door openers. Above that, we have your sunglasses compartment, SOS button, 8-track and rear diff lock, your overhead lighting controls, and controls for your moonroof. Thanks again, folks, for joining us on this full video tour for this 2023 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro manual in the color white. It is located here at Sherwood Park Toyota at 31 Auto Mall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta. You can also reach us at 780-306-7703. And remember, life is full of choices. Let us be yours.